Hello, Ascenters. I'm Archana Das, Head Ascent Foundation. And I'm taking this opportunity through this video to bring to you what are the exciting things that have been happening in Ascent in the last month and for the coming month in April 2021. We want to do this in the beginning of the financial year as a practice where we bring to you and engage with you through these videos on what is happening beyond your trust groups and within the Ascent community that you are such an integral part of. I would like to share a trust group best practice that has been shared by one of our trust groups. They do something called an annual and monthly goal setting format, and it just not pertains to their business goals, but also their personal goals. While a business goal could be forming a new vertical or going digital, a personal goal, for example, could be cycling 500 kilometers or trying to read one book every week or every month. So the main essence of sharing these business and personal goals with all the other trust groups within your group is that it makes the members feel a lot more accountable towards achieving those goals. And of course, have you, each one of you as a sounding board to push towards achieving the same. Let me quickly update you about what happened in March 2021. We dedicated the month to celebrate the women entrepreneurs within our Ascent community, where they got to share the challenges, their successes, and what they look forward to in their entrepreneurial journey. If you have missed those stories, please do visit our social media handles at Ascent, and which you can get to know more about them. We also conducted a very interesting knowledge session with an international speaker from New Zealand, Mike Hancock, chairman of the Circle of Excellence Group. And we kind of covered a very interesting topic on personal branding for entrepreneurs. It had amazing reception. We had an amazing feedback, which the attendees, over 100 of them, gave about 4.5 out of 5 for that session. Again, if you have missed that, please do visit the Ascent YouTube channel to know more. So what to look forward in April 2021? We have our annual facilitator training workshop, which is scheduled for the Friday, 9th April 2021 from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Through this workshop, we aim to reiterate the roles and responsibilities of facilitators and co-facilitators, share tools and exercises to strengthen the facilitation process, discuss the structure and elements of trust group meetings, address the challenges, and share best practices of other trust groups. It is therefore very critical for the facilitators and co-facilitators to attend this session. If both the facilitators of trust groups are not available for any given reason, please nominate somebody else from your trust group to attend the session. It's very critical to participate in this facilitator training. We also have our annual referral campaign scheduled in April. As you are aware, the most credible way that we are growing as a community is the like-minded entrepreneurs that you have been referring our way. So this is your opportunity to grow and co-create the Ascent community along with the Ascent executive team. We are going to conduct the referral campaign from 12th April to 12th May. So keep sending those referrals of other entrepreneurs our way and help us build this community. We will also be conducting the annual Mixer, which is generally an offline event, but given the pandemic and the lockdown still, we are going to conduct this online for the first time, where we will have an evening dedicated to getting an entrepreneur, a very important thought leader and an entrepreneur and change maker to come and talk about their entrepreneurial journey. And this is your opportunity to get the referred member along with you to this Mixer. And at the end, I would like to conclude by saying that feel free to reach out to the Ascent executive team for any support, whether it's individual or for your trust group if required. And we are on WhatsApp with the facilitators, and we do WhatsApp with individual members as well. So kindly save Ascent WhatsApp number to get all details. Thank you. Keep ascenting. Good luck and stay safe.